For both of you.
All right.
Okay, so this is the new Cessna 150, replacing the Cessna 150 that I have my 5 hours of training in. I'm already claustrophobic. All right.
It's not bad.
This is the thing?
It's got good space, actually.
The flying thing?
Okay,
All right.
we're gonna do a little orbit here.
I told you I had 5 hours.
Here they are making airplane noises.
Think I can do this? Anybody? Even a 50-year-old mother of 2?
Absolutely.
It was fun.
What do you think? How was your flight?
Little bumpy, but we got through the stall. I mean,
The aerodynamic relaxation.
The aerodynamic. You got